All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the chart analysis right away. We're going to jump right into it. And right after that, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as I will mention the stocks that I'm watching every single morning. So if you want to know the stocks I'm watching every single morning, you're more than welcome to join us. And the link is down below to the Discord. If it's something that interests you, we look forward to having you join us. We're 100+ members already, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses, just like the ones you have seen here pop up on the screen. Those are just examples, not guaranteed to always happen and that it will always be the same, but the opportunities are there and we're looking for them every single day. You see, stocks can always be thrown at you from different platforms and different things, but it's all about narrowing it down to the ones that actually make the move. And that's the goal every single day. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. But if you're looking at the charts, you have the volume, you have it all. We're setting up for that opportunity to maximize profits and minimize losses. Let's jump right into this chart. And right after, we're going to talk about the ticker symbol that you won't want to miss, as well as the stocks I mentioned this morning. So here we are with ticker symbol ZOM, Zomedica Corp. And before we jump into this chart, I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware that this stock, the longer it stays below $1, the weaker it's going to get. And it's starting to get to the point where it's about to break through the lowest point in the last bearish run. And if that happens, this will have selling pressure going even higher, because those that have been holding the stock up around this area either left already or have been holding through this process and may start to get shaky hands because they're losing the unrealized profits they've been holding throughout the whole process. So it's going to be very interesting. And I've stated it before, 74 cents is important to watch moving forward. And that's literally our support level beyond where this stock sits right now at 77 cents. Now, the 50-day moving average is up here at 83 cents. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. So I do want investors and viewers to be aware of that. If that gets broken through, this could be on its way up. And right here at this resistance level is 87 cents. And if that gets broken through, that could be turned into a support, reaching newer highs, new resistance levels. And it will be an issue if the bulls can't break through the 50-day moving average or this resistance level to pull upwards higher, guys. So it's going to be very important for these points to be broken through. Our support level right now is 74 cents. But before getting to the 50-day moving average, the resistance level up here, we have a point here that's the highest point before it dipped. And that's right there at 80 cents, guys. That needs to be broken through, turn into a support so that this can reach newer highs, new resistance levels. And as investors, that lets us know where the momentum is going. And it's one step closer to the 50-day moving average, but it does not guarantee that the 50-day moving average will be crossed. Okay, super important. And now we're going to go ahead and jump into the stocks that I watched this morning. We hit a home run with two of them. It was great, phenomenal beginning to the day. Within 10 minutes, one of them was up 50% plus. And the ticker symbol you won't want to miss that you want to add to your watch list. All I'm asking for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've mentioned before. And it's given some great swing trade opportunities, as well as every single time it pulls back to this range, it's becoming an even better opportunity to watch and keep a cost average low if you are long on it. But we're going to talk about that ticker symbol in just a moment. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. And on a regular day, I'm looking for 5 to 10%, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is a home run. So we had 2 home runs for the day, 1 regular expectation and 1 great expectation, right? So we're going to talk about that. But if this is something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below to the Discord. We're 100+ members already, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. And we look forward to having you join us. You can become part of that as well. So CFMS gave us 5%. This was our worst player, but it was still a 5% opportunity. Obviously, if execution was done correctly, that's probably one of the biggest things I talk about with these volatile stocks that I'm watching. Now, PTE gave us about 15 to 20%, and DTSS was one that I was proceeding with caution, but I wanted to watch it closely, and it needed more inflow, and inflow shot up as soon as the bell rang. As it was pulling back from 333, it fell down to the twos, and then it shot up, giving about 20 to 25% plus on that great expectation right there. That all I was looking for was inflow volume to go up, and it was one I was watching with caution, but the opportunity was there. Now the home run of the day was PTIX, and this is one that I was watching and needed more volume, and it was one that had a lot of volatility in the pre-market, and as soon as 10 minutes went by since I started watching at 235, it was already up 50% plus, and it was already a home run for the day 10 minutes into the market, and it even got halted from so much volume. So let's go ahead and look here at this chart. So right here you can see when I started watching it in the pre-market at 235, started to run up a little bit, and then it took off, pulled back, and took off again, giving a high of the day 100% plus. I didn't want to say it like that because sometimes it could be too exaggerating, but no, it literally happened. From 235 when we watched it all the way up to 486, 490 range, you do the math, it was 100% plus from where we started watching it, but the high of the day was an 80% plus opportunity. So at the end of the day, can anyone catch it the full ride? No, not at all. But within that full ride, there was plenty of room to get anywhere from 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, and 20% plus, guys. And this is what we do and aim for every single day. If you're interested, the link to the Discord is down below in the description. So what ticker symbol do you want to add to your watch list if you don't have it already? And this ticker symbol, I've talked about it before, CHPT, Charge Point Holdings Inc. Now, I definitely recommend every single investor doing their due diligence and research, but we're heading back towards, I wouldn't call this the floor, but where the support slash floor has been since this bearish run, right? Since it fell downwards at these points, it's actually picked itself back up. And every single time it has given between 10 to 20%, and the highest was from here all the way up to $32, giving just about 30% plus gain, right, within days. Now, I'm not saying that it's guaranteed that when it gets back to these levels, it's going to pick back up and give a 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, or 20 to 30% gain, but it is something to start watching because it's giving some great swing trade opportunities. Now, in the market conditions that we're in, it can pull back even harder, but the closer it gets to these levels, anyone that is long on this one and been catching the dips can catch this dip again and watch closely. And if it dips even more, if someone's conviction is high enough, it's another opportunity. Every single dip is an opportunity. It's not a setback, it's a setup for the next bull run. And in every single pullback is the next bull run. That's how they get started. Bull runs start as stocks start to fall, guys. It does not start once they hit the bottom and pick back up. No, the beginning started here. You just have to watch it. That's the part that takes work, patience, and execution for the best opportunity. So that is something to start watching if you don't have it on your watch list. And this is a long-term opportunity because it's in a sector of tech and growth. But within that long term, it's given some nice swing trade opportunities. And again, I'm not guaranteeing that same result. But at the end of the day, long term, if you do your due diligence and research, this is looking like an opportunity based off of analysis ratings and the articles that I've read. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.